In this episode of Beardchanics Garage, we're going to remove the tint from Jules' headlights so you can drive at night again.
And yes, unfortunately, like Lee just said, the black tint is going away. It will be back, it's just this is cheap stuff. And I'll insert a footage where you can see what it's like to drive at night with that tint on. Still on full beam, huh? That is full beam, guys. Look, yeah, that is normal beam. It's just full beam, it just makes that no difference. I actually drove it with full beam. I had no complaint from anybody saying I was on full beam, because full beam with tint on still causes too much. It should be enough to highlight why I'm taking it off. I actually really love driving at night. Car meet are starting to open again. Quite like to join few night one, and if I can't see where I'm going, I cannot do that. But yeah, so we are going to remove them, put another cheap one. We put another cheap one, probably the cheapest tint you can get on Amazon. You know, just a basic. How do they call that again?
Like a iridescent, is it from here?
Holographic.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Holographic lights. You know? So, you know, it's not going to be as sexy, but at least I should be able to drive at night. And at some point I'll import some vivid ones that are supposed to be very good at letting light go through and still nice and black. Anyway, let's get to it. Go. So let's start to remove the tint. Normally you just heat it up, yank it up. That's the advantage of vinyl. That is cheap stuff, so we will see. If you actually come close, you can see why in previous episode I said I wanted it to redo it anyway. I don't know if you can see all.
Yeah, you can see some of it.
The finishing is terrible. And although it doesn't, you've got to come this close to see it, it always bugged me that it was there. And it's not perfectly wrapped either. See my corner here? That's not nice. Considering it was, I think, the first car part, I actually wrapped. Not too bad. No.
Can you see out of it?
Sunglasses.
How many fingers am I holding up?
2.
That's not that bad then.
Now I've got a lovely... At least the beard is safe. Yeah,
yes,
that's the main bit.
but don't want to lose that. Just want to say as well, that is a lovely engine bay. Absolutely stunning.
Yeah,
nice and
a
clean
lot
as well.
of stuff are going to change. See, the custom stuff I like to do, you actually move the battery to free up the room here.
Yeah.
Because here you've got all that tubing to go to the turbo. And I quite like the idea of having the airbox here.
Yeah.
So that it fits directly to the turbo. And then here, having a custom down pipe with a valve, so that I can either choose to exit through the bonnet or through the normal exhaust.
Yeah. Got it.
There we go.
So I shall attempt not to melt the bumper or the headlights.
Yeah. At the moment it's blinking, soon it will be seeing. And let's set it. clean. They are sexy lights as well.
They are very nice.
But just all black is just like so good. There we go, guys. So the tints are off, and now we are going to put that crappy quality vinyl on my nice car.
It will still look nice.
Yeah, but I should still be able to see in the dark, and it's kind of like...
That's the main thing, yeah.
I kind of wanted to see what that actually looks on, because I want to put it on another car. But that is very, very thick.
Okay.
Very thick, but I think it's double layer, so they've got the front actually protected because it's a bit chrome, and then they've got the back as well. But yeah, quite... but like I said, it's like cheapest Amazon stuff I could find. So
yeah.
So first we're going to mask all around so that stuff doesn't stick to everything. Yeah, that should do. Cool. So I already washed them by giving it another wash with alcohol. Rubbing alcohol like evaporates very quickly, and it's quite good at removing any crap on there. Make sure all of the alcohol is gone. Get the very high-tech box of wrapping tools out. And I can grab that. The tint one, you need to be like so careful with your fingers and stuff like that, because if you put your finger behind it, then it marks. It's in there. And the guy from CK Wraps would be done already.
Probably would have done both of them.
Yeah.
Again, we're not professionals at this yet.
Well, and you know, he works with like high quality wrap.
Yeah, it does help.
But you know, he is very good as well. That's the main thing that helps him. Well, I think that's the best I'll do today.
Yeah.
Headlight, I've been thinking about us actually trying to do a carbon fiber skin.
Oh yeah.
That then just attach, you know, you've got a couple of stuff here on each side.
Yeah.
So during the day, I can just have my cover lock into there.
Yeah, I got it.
Rock a whole black look, and if I need to drive at night, I pop the bonnet,
Yeah.
get the cover off, and off I go.
That looked really nice.
Yeah, yeah, and because you've got like the just enough, you could even have the cover leave a trail so that the running light on the turning signal still go through.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that sounds nice.
There you go, he's attacking the other side of the car.
Yep, just masking it up.
That way we both get some practice.
This is, I don't want to scratch the car, because as Jules said, if I scratch it, I'll buy it.
And the fact that it's just, you know, it could have been done with it being wider as well. That's what's nice when you get it by the meter, you give yourself a bit more play around. Scratch my car.
Wasn't me.
Got the proof, officer.
Oh shit. There we go, that's gone. Okay, well I thought it was going to turn out a lot worse.
No, see. You're just too much of a pessimist, mate.
Yeah, I think that's the trouble. Right, that's gone.
And here we go, second side done. With the messy corner, because Lee did a good job. Still have some bubbles, but they will cure. You can even barely see them on video.
Yeah, hopefully they'll disappear.
Well, this will disappear this side. Add a lot more of them.
Yeah.
And they've cleared up. Hi, I could see myself in it. But the corner is
it's a very handsome headlight. But yeah, it came out better than I thought it was going to.
And here we go. New tint is on.
Nice. Still very sexy.
Yeah.
Not quite as sexy as the black, but
And can drive at night.
yes, you can drive at night again.
That's the main thing. It's not perfect as you've seen, but we're still practicing. So next time we turn those back into black.
Yeah.
Hopefully you'll be able to tell whether we've improved.
Yeah.
But at least we've proved that her claim of being unskilled is very much real.
Yes, we were lying.
That's right, that's right. But yeah, that's it. And you know, subscribe and do the notification things if you feel like it. And yeah, see you in the next one.
Yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.